Running a business in 2026 isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with AI. Here are the top 10 tools every business should be using right now. First, ChatGPT. Still the most versatile assistant, it drafts emails, summarizes documents, and analyzes customer feedback. It's the baseline AI every team needs. Second, Claude Cowork. Think of it as your desktop AI partner. It manages files, reviews contracts, and organizes spreadsheets, streamlining workflows across the office. Third, Notion AI. For teams already living inside Notion, this tool turns notes into action items, drafts documents, and keeps knowledge bases aligned. It's context-aware productivity. Fourth, Salesforce Einstein. If you're in sales, Einstein automates lead scoring, predicts customer behavior, and integrates directly into your CRM. It's AI built for revenue growth. Fifth, Intercom AI. Customer support teams love it. It powers chatbots, knowledge bases, and automated replies, reducing response times while keeping customers happy. Sixth, Zapier AI. Automating handoffs between SaaS tools, it connects apps like Slack, Gmail, and HubSpot. It's the glue that keeps business workflows running without manual effort. Seventh, Grammarly. More than spell check, it ensures professional communication across teams. Tone, clarity, and grammar are polished instantly, critical for customer-facing roles. Eighth, Otter.ai. Meetings no longer vanish into thin air. Otter transcribes, summarizes, and highlights key points, making collaboration seamless across remote and hybrid teams. Ninth, Perplexity AI. Perfect for research and analysis, it delivers factual answers with citations. Consultants and analysts use it to stay accurate and fast. And 10th, MagicSlides. Need a pitch deck or client presentation? Just type your topic, and MagicSlides generates professional slides instantly. It saves hours and keeps branding sharp. Together, these 10 tools cover everything: communication, workflow automation, customer support, research, and presentations. They're not just apps, they're the backbone of modern business in 2026. So if you're serious about scaling your business, don't waste time juggling outdated processes. Focus on these 10 AI tools, and you'll save hours, cut costs, and stay competitive. And here's the call to action. If you've watched this far, you're clearly invested in the future of business. We've already built a library of over 100 videos on AI, tech history, and productivity. Now help us hit our next milestone, 100 subscribers. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and join a community of entrepreneurs who are shaping the future with AI.